In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these cargo hooks that go on each corner of the bed on this F-150. I'm only going to show you one, but the process applies to all the other ones. You can have up to 4. Like I mentioned, there's one on each corner. Let's get started. If your truck doesn't already have these hooks, it will have these covers most likely, unless someone has taken them off. But these plastic covers, all you need is a little pocket screwdriver or anything that will pry this up and out of the way. They just clip in here. You can set this aside and this will expose the frame of the bed itself. And what you want to do now is take the hook and unscrew the set screws that secure the hook in. Take them out all the way. You want this part to go down, and that's how it's going to be able to fit in there because it's actually wider than the hole. So you want it to be able to go at an angle. And the only way to do that is, well, to let it go down all the way. So here's one screw. They are fairly long. Keep that in mind. It's normal. That's they're meant to be able to reach down in once it's installed. Take the other one out, and now you'll see that this piece, the hook, falls down. Well, it's not going to come off because at the bottom there's this tab here, this piece of metal that connects the two halves of the hook. So slide this down at an angle, make sure the logo is facing towards the rear. Not that it has a direction, but it's more aesthetically pleasing that way. And then when you put it down, make sure that both ends hook around the metal part of the bed. Drop it into place. You can hold it by the hook and then put the 2 screws in that secure it. And take your Phillips head screwdriver and tighten these up. Keep holding it until you actually have some pressure on these screws, and then it'll basically hold itself. There we go. Do the other one. And when it comes to tightening this, make it nice and snug. Just make sure that there is even pressure on both. That's the key here. Once you get even pressure on both of these, you should be good to go. Just make sure that they are nice and snug. Obviously, you don't want any of your cargo that you tie to this to fly away because this doesn't hold on. So there you have it. This is secured. This has a feature where it locks up if you need it to. At this point, you can do the same to any of the other ones that you want to install.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.